Hi, good morning. Today's topic is accounting purchase and sales return of goods with the GST. Commonly, goods purchased are sometimes returned to the supplier due to various reasons. Similarly, goods sold may be returned by the customer. In this section, we will discuss in brief the provision for handling tax liability under GST and how the return of suppliers is recorded in tally. Return of goods can be done till the filing of return of subsequent financial year for the previous year. For example, sale or purchase made on 1st April 2021 return period. The debit note or credit note can be done before filing the return for September 21 on or before 22 October 2022. Purchase return will be recorded in debit note and sales return in credit note. For this, I am going to open my vouchers. Here I am going to press F10 and from here I am going to open my debit note voucher. I'll press Ctrl plus H and I'll open my item invoice. Here the question is on 1st November 2023, Dakshin Electronics Private Limited returned the following stock items due to damaged stock to Pooja Appliances Karnataka against supply invoice number PA/PUR/22 dated 2nd October 2023. So here what I'm gonna do, here I'm going to select Pooja Appliances. Ledger account, I'll select purchase account. Here I'll select LG washing machine. Quantity is one number at the rate 15,000 and second is Philips LED floor lamps, one quantity at the rate 12,000. Here in this entry, because I'm returning the goods, so here I'm gonna calculate central tax. So it will calculate it at 2430 and state tax will be calculated at the rate 2430. Alright, so reason for issuing notice will be sales return and supplier debit and credit note number will be 1 dated 1st November, and this way the debit note entry will be done. Alright, next entry is sales return of goods. So here on 2nd November 2023, Mataji Electronics Tamil Nadu returned the following stock items due to damaged stock against sale bill number 4 dated 2nd November 2023. So here first of all I'll change the date to 2nd November and here I'll select Mataji Electronics. Select the I will open F10 and from here I'll open credit note voucher. Here I will take sales ledger and the stock item is LG washing machine. Quantity is one number at the rate 15,500 and reason for issuing note is sales return. Bar's debit note number is 2 and date is 2nd November. So entry will be done. Next is supplies inclusive of tax. So supplies inclusive of tax is, for this first of all I'll open my sales voucher and here I'll open F12 configuration. From this F12 configuration I'll open wait a second, I'll open F11 and will open I will enable this option. Provide rate inclusive of tax for stock item. So here the question says that as on 2nd November 2023, Dakshin Electronics Private Limited sold the following goods to Rakesh Enterprises Karnataka on credit with sale bill number 6. So the sale bill number is 6. So the stock item is Samsung 43 inches and Sony 32 inches. So here the reference number is 6. Party account name I'll create over here. Rakesh Enterprises under sundry debtor. Here I will add the GST number 29 SS triple S 1234 S1 Z9. Here I'll keep sales ledger, and now I will pick up Samsung 43 inches LED smart TV. Quantity is one number at the rate 41,600. Next is Sony 32 inches LED smart TV. Quantity is 3 at the rate 24,780 rupees. And at the end, okay, so here what I need to do is I will open F12, and from here I will disable this option. Select common ledger accounts for item allocation. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select over here sales. I'm gonna create a sales at the rate 14% under sales account. Here I will enable GST details. Here I will add Samsung 43 inches LED TV. Here I will select sales taxable at the rate 28%. It will be divided into 14%. Type of supply will be goods. Next, here I will create sales at the rate 18%. And I'm gonna show you tax analysis screen. So you can see that on Samsung 43 inches, 14% tax has been deducted, and on Sony 32 inches LED TV, 9% tax has been deducted. That is total 18% tax has been deducted. Alright, so this way this entry is done. Alright. Okay. So there are further some entries over here. On 1st December 2023, Dakshin Electronics Private Limited purchased the following goods from Pooja Appliances, Karnataka on credit with supply invoice number PA/PUR/55. So for this I'm gonna open my purchase ledger, and here I'll add the supply invoice number PA/PUR/55. Dated 2nd November. Here I will select Puja Appliances. They are also from Karnataka. I'll add the GST number 29 double J triple J 1234 J1 Z9. Here I'll create a new stock item Nokia C3 under electronic products numbers. Here I'll create Nokia C3. Taxability I'll be able to keep as taxable, and here I'll keep the tax rate at 18%. Quantity is 2 numbers at the rate 8,000. Here I'll create purchase ledger at the rate 18%. Next is Samsung J7 under electronic products numbers. I'll alter the GST details. Samsung J7. Taxability will remain taxable. Here I'll keep 28%. Quantity is 2 at the rate 10,500. Here I'll keep purchase at the rate 28%. So I will show you the tax analysis screen. So you can see that on Nokia C3, 18% tax has been deducted, and on Samsung J7, 14% tax has been deducted. Alright. So this way this entry is done. Alright. Next is on 2nd December, I'll go to daybook. I'll change the date of this entry. 1st December. 1st December. That's it. Go to vouchers, and now I'm going to open my sales voucher over here. The question states that as on 2nd December 2023, Dakshin Electronics Private Limited sold the following goods to Bhavani Enterprises Karnataka on credit with sale bill number 7. Tip is central and state taxes are applicable on this invoice. Transporter details for e-way bill is mode is road. So they have given me additional details for creating a e-way bill. Okay. So for this, what they have done, for reference number, they have given me sale bill number 7, and it will be on 2nd December. Party account name is Bhavani Enterprises. GST number will be 29AA1252A1Z9. Here first stock item will be Samsung 32 inches. Quantity is 2 numbers at the rate 19,000. Here I'll keep the sales at the rate 18%. Next stock item is Philips LED floor lamps, 1 number at the rate 13,000. Here I'll keep sales at the rate 12%. Now Nokia C3, 2 numbers at the rate 8,500. I'll keep here sales at the rate 14%. Next is LG washing machine. 1 number at the rate 16,000. Here I'll keep the sales at the rate 18%. Next is Samsung 43 inches LED TV, 2 numbers at the rate 33,500. Here I'll keep sales at the rate 14%. Now I'll show you tax analysis screen. Alt plus F1. So you can see that on each and every individual item, different taxes has been calculated. On Samsung 32 inches, 18% tax has been calculated at the rate 99%. On Philips LED floor lamps, 12% tax has been calculated at the rate 66%. And on Nokia C3, 28% tax has been calculated at the rate 14%. And on LG washing machine, 18% tax has been calculated. And on Samsung 43 inches, 28% tax has been calculated. So total tax has been calculated 34,800. Alright. So here I'll keep central tax. It will come 17,400, and state tax, it will comes out to be 17,400. So this way entry is done. Alright. Next, on 2nd December 2023, Dakshin Electronics Private Limited sold the following goods. Wait a second. On the previous question, I forgot to add the additional details. E-way bill number 7. One, two, three, four, 5. ASD. It is 2nd December. Dispatched from Karnataka. Shipped to Karnataka. Distance in kilometer 15. Transport name is Pradeep. Transporter ID. Mode is road. Vehicle number is KA05 S9330. Vehicle type is regular. Alright, that's it. Now I'll go to vouchers again. Now we will proceed with next entry. As on 2nd December 2023, Dakshin Electronics Private Limited sold the following goods to Rakesh Enterprises Karnataka on credit with sale bill number 8. So here I'll add the reference number 8. Party account name is Rakesh Enterprises. Stock items are Sony 43 inches LED TV quantity 1 at the rate 38,000. Here I'll keep sales at the rate 12%. Next is Samsung J7, 2 numbers at the rate 10,800. Here I'll keep sales at the rate 14%. Next is Samsung 32 inches LED TV, one number at the rate 19,000, sales at the rate 18%. Next is Philips LED floor lamps, one number at the rate 13,000, sales at the rate 14%. Now I will calculate central tax over here and state tax over here. I'll show you the tax analysis screen. You can see that. Alright, so this way entry is done. Now, next is e-way bill report in Tally. So, how to check e-way bill report in Tally? For this, I'll go back. I'll go to display more reports. Go to GST reports. Go to e-way bill. And here you can check out this. Rakesh Enterprises entry is related to e-way bill. So, HSN code is 4. That's it. Now, exporting bulk or consolidated e-way bill invoices. So, bulk e-way bill or consolidation of e-way bill comprises multiple e-way bills for multiple consignments which are being carried out in one goods vehicle. When there is more than one e-way bill, the user can consolidate those e-way bills and generate a single e-way bill so that single e-way bill document can be carried due to the movement of goods. So for this, I'm going to open display more reports, go to GST reports, go to e-way bill, go to here, I'll export, I'll configure, and here everything is okay. I'll go back and send. This is e-way bill. I'm gonna open it with Word. So see, this is the e-way bill of Dakshin Electronics Private Limited. So this way, you can check out the e-way bill. Alright? Alright. So I'll go back. Next is input tax credit set off against liability. So for this, I'm going to open this is the Word document. Here I'm going to show you the input tax credit set off against liability. So input tax credit set off against liability. First of all, here they have given me one voucher entry, that is adjust the following input credit against the available tax liability. Here first of all, in number 1 they have given me IGST input tax credit is equal to rupees 40,200 and tax liability of IGST is equal to rupees 45,040 and the balance payable of IGST is rupees 4840. Alright, and second is CGST input tax credit is rupees 42,960 rupees and the tax liability of CGST central tax is rupees 43,259 and the balance payable for CGST is rupees 299. And for SGST the input tax credit is rupees 42,960 and the tax liability of SGST is rupees 43,259 and the balance payable for SGST is rupees 299. Now we will see whether how we are going to calculate this input tax credit and how we are going to adjust this input tax credit against the tax liability. So there is a formula to calculate tax liability payable to government. Number 1, CGST. For CGST the formula is tax liability minus ITC. So the tax liability for CGST is 43,259. Out of this, I'm going to minus my ITC of CGST 42,960. So let me calculate this. So it will come out to be rupees 299. So it is already available to me the balance payable amount. but I'm just showing you how we can get the balance payable amount. Next is, second is SGST. So the formula is tax liability minus input tax credit. So tax liability of SGST is 43,259 minus ITC is 42,960. So the calculated value will be rupees 299. Alright, the third is IGST. Formula again will be tax liability minus ITC. So here the tax liability is 45,040 minus ITC is 40,200. So here I'm gonna calculate this. 45,040 minus 40,200. So it will come out to be rupees 4840. Alright. So actual CGST tax will be payable to the government rupees 299. Actual SGST shall be payable to the government 299 and actual IGST shall be payable to the government 4840. Alright. Now I'll show you practically. For this, first of all, I'm going to open my voucher. I'm going to open my F7 journal voucher. Here I'm going to do Alt plus J. I'll select type of duty GST. Here nature of adjustment will be decrease of tax liability, and additional detail I'll select adjustment against credit. Alright, here in the debit I will select CGST, central tax amount rupees. Central tax amount is 42,960 against central tax 9%. Again I'm going to do Alt plus J, GST, decrease of tax liability, adjustment against credit. Here I'll select state tax. ITC available is 42,960. State tax. That's it. Next, again I'll do Alt plus J, GST, decrease of tax liability, adjustment against credit. Here I'll select integrated tax, and the ITC available for integrated tax is 40,200. Here I'll select again integrated tax. That's it. Alright. Now, at last I'm going to pay the tax money to the government, tax liability to the government. For this I'm going to open F5 payment voucher. Here I'll do Alt plus J, Control plus F, start payment. For GST regular, it will be recipient liability, period from 1st October to 2nd December. Alright, here I'll select central tax. Central tax will be 299. Debit, state tax 299. Debit, integrated tax 4840. So total I am paying the tax of rupees 5438. Discipline liability from 1st October to 2nd December. Debit integrated tax 4840. Debit central tax 299. Debit state tax 290. And credit Kotak Bank current account. That's it. Yes. Mode of payment is check. Name of the bank is Kotak Bank. That's it. So this entry has been done. Alright. So this entry has been done. I'm going to open my daybook. Here I'm going to show you Alt plus P, enter, review. I'm going to show you this payment voucher printout. Alright. That's it. Alright. So this way GST is complete. So I'll get back to you with some other topics of GST in next video. Stay tuned with me. Thank you so much.